All right, 5th grade, we are working on learning about polygons. I think you should have seen these before you got to 5th grade, but if not, we're going to go over them pretty in depth today so you can have a really good understanding. Make sure you have your journals and are taking some notes. All right, so here's some definition of a polygon, or how to determine whether it is a polygon. A polygon has straight sides or edges. 2 edges meet at each vertex. Vertex is the point, kind of like the end of a star or the end of a triangle. There's no gaps or spaces in the lines, and it has no leftover lines or intersecting lines, so it can't cross in the middle like an X. So let's go over a few of these and decide whether they are polygons or not. Here's the first one. This is an oval. Does it meet all 4 of those requirements? No, this has curved edges. You can only have straight edges. What about this one? These are all straight. There's no intersecting lines. Yes, this one is a polygon. Straight sides, 2 edges meet at each vertex, and there's no gaps or spaces. What about this odd shape? No, there's all kinds of curved lines and craziness going on. What about this one? Yes, everything here is a straight edge. They meet at points. So yes, this one is a polygon. What about that one? That's a triangle. You've seen that many times, and yes, it is technically a polygon. No, that's not a polygon. All kinds of curved mess. No straight edges. All right, so now let's talk about the different types of polygons. We saw this one earlier. This would be a triangle. This would be a parallelogram, because the lines are parallel, all 4. So here's a bunch more different shapes that could be considered polygons. All of them have straight edges. All of them meet at a point. That would be a pentagon. Okay, so these are all different types. Okay, polygons can be classified by the number of sides and angles they have. So you saw earlier 3 sides, 3 angles. This would be the triangle, tri for 3. 4 sides, 4 angles. That's the quadrilateral. Quad means 4, lateral means the side. Okay, 5 sides, 5 angles, pentagon. 6 sides, 6 angles, hexagon. 8, you saw these already, octagon. Decagon, there's 10 sides to this one. And this also has some examples. I'm not going to go over all these, but there's a few examples in here of polygons in the real world. Okay, I'm going to leave a chart for you on your assignment that shows you all the different names, like the hexagon, polygon, and how many sides it has. So you can use that to help you with your homework. So you're going to be doing lesson 11.1 in your workbook, which is page 219. Okay, the first questions ask you to name the polygon. So you're going to name it by the number of sides it has, and then tell whether it's regular or not a regular. A regular polygon means it has all sides and all angles are equal. So this angle, and this angle, and this angle, and this angle are all equal. Wow, that was terrible right there. And then these sides are all equal. So you see these marks. When you see these marks showing that all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal, this is called a regular polygon. And then if it asks you to classify this as well, this is just called a square. Okay? So you're going to go through numbers 1 through 6 and tell me what type of polygon it is according to the number of sides, and then whether it's regular or not regular. Okay, and then you need to do the word problems at the bottom and on the back side. If you have any questions, please let me know.